Class 9 children, today we will do some more important questions from rational and irrational number. Question number 5, rationalize the denominator and simplify. So as you know, rationalize, that means we have to make the denominator root free, that is without root, because if there is root then it is called irrational number, but we have to make it rational. Means rationalize means make it a rational. Rationalizing means you have to make the denominator root free. So let us begin. 4 plus root 5 by 4 minus root 5 plus 4 minus root 5 by 4 plus root 5. Now this is very important question to be noted down, because here in the denominator we have 4 minus root 5 and 4 plus root 5. So when we do LCM, both of them will come together. And you know, yesterday only I have taught you, if there is minus we need plus as partner. So here good thing is that automatically in the question the minus and plus partners are together. But like yesterday, you know, like there was plus, then I was multiplying with minus from my own side, so it was not in the question. But today the good thing is that the minus and plus partner are in the question, so I am not multiplying by myself, but I am doing LCM. So this is the difference between yesterday's question and today's question. So after doing LCM, what happens? We have to cover. So if 4 minus root 5 is there, cover 4 minus root 5, 4 minus root 5. Then who is remaining? 4 plus root 5. This remaining 4 plus root 5 will multiply with 4 plus root 5. So when both the same number multiply 2 times, we can write whole square. Plus, this plus comes here. This time we will cover 4 plus root 5, 4 plus root 5. Then who is remaining? 4 minus root 5. So 4 minus root 5 will multiply with 4 minus root 5. Same numbers 2 times, we can write whole square. Now at the denominator, it is a formula of a minus b, a plus b, whose formula is a square minus b square. 4 is a and root 5 is b. So that way I wrote a square minus b square, and here it is a formula of a plus b whole square. It is a formula of a minus b whole square. So here formula is a square plus 2ab plus b square. As a is 4, b is root 5, so respective places I have given here. Next plus comes here. This is formula of a minus b whole square. So I can say a square minus 2ab plus b square. Here a is 4, so 4 square minus 2 into 4 means a into b, that is root 5 plus root 5 whole square is b square. And now 4 square is 16 plus 2 4s are 8. 8 into root 5 is 8 root 5. Like 8 into x is 8x. Similarly 8 into root 5 is 8 root 5. Plus root 5 square means 5. Plus 4 square is 16. Here same thing, minus 8 root 5. This 3. Now root 5 square means only 5. In this what happens? This is plus 8 root 5. This is minus 8 root 5. Like minus 8x plus 8x we cancel. Similarly we cancel here also. Now all numbers are remaining here. 16 plus 5 plus 16 plus 5, that is 16 16 32. 32 plus 5 plus 5 10. 42. 42 16 minus, like 4 square is 16 and root 5 square is 5. 16 minus 5 is 11. 42 by 11 is our answer. So very important. Next same kind of question. Here you can see 5 minus root 3, 5 plus root 3. So both the partners, rationalizing partners are there. So I need not multiply from my side by myself like yesterday. Automatically I will do LCM. Same thing. This time I will cover this 2. Then this will remain. This 5 plus root 3 will multiply with 3. Then I can write 3 into 5 plus root 3 plus 2 into, it will multiply with 5 minus root 3. Because when I cover this, this will remain and this will multiply with 2. So after multiplication here 3 5s are 15. 3 into root 3 is 3 root 3. Very important. Don't write 9. 3 3s are 9. No. It is in root. It is not in root. So 3 root 3. Similarly plus 10 plus into minus, minus 2 into 3, 2 root 3. And down part it is a formula of a square minus b square. 5 square is 25. Root 3 square is 3. Now here 15 plus 10 is 25. Number I add. And 3 root 3 minus 2 root 3 is 1 root 3. 1 we don't write, only we write plus root 3. Now how? Plus 3x minus 2x is plus 1x. Similarly plus 1 root 3. 1 we don't write. So 25 minus 3 is 22. Upper part 25 plus root 3 we cannot add, it is same. Next, very important question, find the value of a and b. If question is like this, 5 plus 2 root 3 by 7 plus 4 root 3 equal to a plus b root 3. So we have to find the value of a and b. Very technical question, so please be attentive and listen to the video very carefully. Now here I can say 7 plus 4 root 3, I don't have rationalizing partner in the question, so I will give the partner from my own side. Like in this question I need not give, but here I have to give the partner by myself. Like 7 plus 4 root 3 partner will be 7 minus 4 root 3 by 7 minus 4 root 3. Rest upper part is same, and this one I write same. This one I will write same till the end, and at the end I will compare. Now it's time to multiply. 5 into 7 35, 5 into 4 minus 20, 5 for the 20 and root 3. So 5 into minus 4 root 3 is minus 20 root 3. So first one I multiplied with both. Now second one I will multiply with both. Now plus 2 into 7, 14 root 3, here root 3. So plus 14 root 3, plus into minus, minus 2 4 ja 8, root 3 will be 3, because root 3 into root 3 means root 3 square, that is 3. So here the first will multiply with both, second will multiply with both. Next, here is a formula of a square minus b square. 7 square minus b is 4 root 3. b is 4 root 3 whole square. Next, this one is same. 35 minus 20 root 3 plus 14 root 3 minus 8 3s are 24. But here root 3 can be added and subtracted. Like x can be added, subtracted, same thing here. Minus 20 root 3 plus 14 root 3 is minus 6 root 3. Now 35 minus 24 will be 11. 11 minus 6 root 3, same. And here 7 square is 49, 4 square is 16, and root 3 square is 3. 16 into 3 is 48. 49 minus 48. And now 35 minus 24 is 11. 6 root 3 is here. Now at the denominator we have 1. Upper part will be same. 1, that means it has no value. Next step I remove the 1. So I have only 11 minus 6 root 3 equal to a plus b root 3. Now I cannot do anything. It's time to compare now. Now by comparing we get, you see here first position goes to a, and here first position goes to 11. So I can say a equal to 11. So location is very important. First is compared with first. Now as there is minus, here there is plus. So in the answer we will get minus, and in the place of b here we have 6. And root 3 you can cancel in mind. So b place has been taken by 6, and I can write minus 6. That means for minus we have to write minus. So here is, I have done this one. Next, very similar question. 3 plus root 2 by 3 minus root 2 equal to a plus b root 2. That means I have to find the value of a and b. Same way I give the partner from my own side. Minus will get partner as plus, numbers will be same. And here same number multiplying 2 times, I can write whole square, and below part is a formula of a square minus b square. Next, 3 square is 9, root 2 square is 2. 9 minus 2, it is a formula of a square plus 2ab plus b square. Respective places I have given here. This comes same here. The right hand side is same. And here 3 square is 9 plus 2 3 is 6. 6 root 2 plus 2. And 9 minus 2 is 7. 9 plus 2 is 11. 11 plus 6 root 2 by 7. This is same. Next, as you know, I have to make a and b separate. So what I am doing, this 7 denominator I am giving in both the places. Like 11 by 7, this plus comes in the middle. 6 by 7 root 2. That means I am separating the denominator for both the coefficient, for both the numbers. First one and second one, because we have to compare with a and b. I cannot keep it in combined because I have to separate it for a and b. So for separation I am putting this 7 in 2 places. Okay, next. Now very important children, now by comparing we get, you can see a, the position of a has been taken by 11 by 7. So 11 by 7. This time there is plus, here also is plus. So no need to write plus. And here you can see root 2 you cancel. Who remains? 6 by 7. That means b is 6 by 7. This is our answer. Very different from the first one. Why? Because here we are separating denominator in both the places. Next, number 3. You can see Same kind of question, you have to find the value of a and b, but very good thing here is that rationalizing partners I need not give from my part. It is in the question itself, because 7 plus root 7 plus 1, root 7 minus 1, they are rationalizing partners, so I need not multiply from my own way, but I can do LCM now. So I did LCM. So different from this question, here I am giving the partner, here no need. So you have to see the question very carefully. Now both of them are LCM, then I have to cover 7 plus root 7 plus 1, root 7 plus 1, then root 7 minus 1 will multiply with root 7 minus 1, same number, so whole square minus, here this time I will cover this, then root 7 plus 1 will multiply with root 7 plus 1, so whole square equal to same thing we write. Now a minus b whole square formula, a square minus 2ab plus b square minus, whenever there is minus in the middle we have to use second bracket for the remaining. For plus we don't use, for plus no need, but for minus we have to use second bracket. Now a square plus 2ab plus b square, this is the formula, and this is formula of a square minus b square. You know how I have done, and the same thing I wrote here. Now root 7 square is 7, 2 into 1, 2 1s are 2, root 7, 2 1s are 2, 2 into root 7, 2 root 7, minus 2 root 7, plus 1 square is 1, here minus into plus, minus root 7 square is 7, minus into plus is minus, minus 2 into 1, 2 root 7, minus 2 root 7, minus into plus, minus 1 square is 1. So I multiplied also and opened the bracket, and this one is same, here 7 minus 1. Next plus 7 minus 7 cancelled, plus 1 minus 1 cancelled. Next only who remains, minus 2 root 7, minus 2 root 7, we cannot cancel, both are minus, so it will be minus 4 root 7, and 7 minus 1 is 6, this one is same. Now as you know, I need first position also, second position also, but here in the first position I have nothing, so from my own part nothing means there is 0, so I wrote 0 minus 4 root 7 by 6. Same thing, only I have put 0, nothing has changed, only 0 has come. Next same, it is same. Now I will separate this 6 for both the places, I will separate both of them in two different expressions. Now 0 by 6 minus 4 by 6 root 7, 4 by 6 root 7 equal to same. Now 0 by 6 is 0, and here I can simplify, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, so here my answer is minus 2 by 3 root 7 equal to a plus b root 7. Now by comparing you can see position of a has been taken by 0, and as there is minus I will write minus in the answer, and position root 7 you cancel, position of b has been taken by 2 by 3, so minus 2 by 3 is my answer. So one question I have given you as homework, children, do this as a homework. Thank you children.